The woman charged of killing and dismembering a Green Bay man last year was back in court. Your Green Bay neighborhood reporter Taylor Schabusiness was there and has an update on whether or not Taylor Schabusiness is competent to stand trial.
Last month, 25-year-old Taylor Schabusiness attacked her former attorney Quinn Jolly during a competency hearing. Following the attack, Jolly's request to be removed from the case was granted. Today, Schabusiness appeared in court for another competency hearing with her new lawyer, Christopher Freilich. A licensed psychologist, Matthew Seipel, testified back in January that he believes Schabusiness was competent to stand trial. Today, Seipel testified again.
This was simply an opportunity to allow Mr. Freilich, who hadn't participated in the January 6th hearing, to do an examination, a cross-examination of this doctor, an opportunity to do so because the court hadn't rendered a decision.
The defense asked Seipel several questions. Seipel said he met with Schabusiness for a competency interview at the Brown County Jail in November. Seipel said his interview with Schabusiness was between 75 to 90 minutes.
Is that the only time you met with her?
Yes, that is the only direct contact I've had with the defendant.
Seipel said he did not review several records regarding Schabusiness, but he concluded in his report that Schabusiness was competent to stand trial at that time.
I have not been provided any information that would cause me to alter the opinion offered in my report.
The defense argued Seipel's testimony.
His testimony is certainly relevant, but it's stale. Additionally, with due respect to Dr. Seipel, his report is sort of incomplete because there are all kinds of other records that I advised are out there that he could review.
The defense also argued that the incident between Schabusiness and her former attorney should be considered, but the prosecutor said Seipel's testimony was clear.
If there is reason to doubt competency, counsel's always, as this is obligation, free to raise that again. But at this point, I don't think there's a basis to initiate competency proceedings.
The judge ruled Schabusiness is competent to stand trial.
I'm satisfied I've found the defendant competent, and we're going to schedule a trial date.
Jury selection gets underway on Friday, July 21st, and opening statements for Schabusiness' trial is set for Monday, July 24th. In Green Bay, Taylor Schabusiness, NBC 26.